Have you ever thought about earning a passive income with the help of artificial intelligence? AI is revolutionizing the way we generate income. By capitalizing on AI technology, you can create streams of passive income that work for you even while you sleep. The significance of AI in generating passive income cannot be overstated. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify trends, and make informed decisions to optimize your income-generating strategies. This means less manual work for you and more efficient results. Imagine the potential benefits of using AI to grow your passive income. Increased scalability, higher accuracy in decision-making, and the ability to adapt to changing market conditions swiftly. Curious to learn more about how you can tap into passive income opportunities with AI? Stay tuned to discover the exciting possibilities that await you. Understanding passive income. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort or active involvement on your part. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income allows you to generate revenue consistently, even when you're not actively working. In the context of AI, passive income takes on a whole new level of significance. By harnessing the power of AI technology, you can automate income-generating processes, freeing up your time and resources for other pursuits. This automation is key to building sustainable wealth and financial stability over time. Examples of passive income sources in the AI domain include investing in AI-driven stocks or funds, creating and selling AI-powered digital products or services, and developing AI algorithms for automated trading or data analysis. These opportunities showcase the potential for AI to revolutionize the way we earn passive income in the digital age. Exploring AI tools for passive income. When it comes to generating passive income with AI, there are a lot of tools and platforms at your disposal. Popular AI-driven platforms offer opportunities to earn passive income through tasks like completing surveys, transcribing audio, or displaying targeted ads on your website. AI chatbots are another powerful tool for automating customer interactions and generating passive income. By using AI chatbots to handle customer queries and provide personalized responses, you can free up your time while still delivering excellent customer service. Additionally, AI-powered investment tools, such as Robo-Advisors and Algorithmic Trading platforms, offer a hands-off approach to investing for passive income. These tools leverage AI algorithms to analyze market trends, make investment decisions, and optimize your portfolio for maximum returns. With the potential of AI tools, the possibilities for generating passive income are endless, creating AI-driven content for passive income. Are you ready to harness the power of AI to create passive income streams through content generation? AI content creation tools have revolutionized the way we produce engaging and high-quality content with minimal effort. To optimize your AI-generated content for maximum engagement and revenue, consider incorporating relevant keywords, compelling visuals, and a clear call to action. By tailoring your content to resonate with your target audience, you can increase viewer engagement and drive more traffic to your passive income streams. Don't be afraid to experiment with different AI content creation platforms to find what works best for you. Whether you're creating blog posts, social media graphics, or video content, AI tools can help streamline your content creation process and unlock new opportunities for passive income generation. Managing and scaling AI-based income streams. As you venture into the world of AI-based passive income streams, it's essential to have strategies in place for effective management and scalable growth. Automation tools play a crucial role in streamlining income generation processes, allowing you to focus on strategic decision-making rather than manual tasks. Monitoring AI algorithms is key to optimizing performance and ensuring that your income streams remain profitable. By analyzing data and making adjustments as needed, you can fine-tune your strategies for maximum efficiency. Diversifying your AI income streams is another vital aspect of long-term sustainability. By exploring different avenues for passive income, such as affiliate marketing, online courses, or AI-driven product sales, you can reduce risk and create a more robust income portfolio. With the right tools, monitoring practices, and diversification strategies in place, you can effectively manage and scale your AI-based income streams for continued success and growth. Ethical considerations in AI income generation. When it comes to using AI for income generation, ethical considerations and responsibilities should not be overlooked. One crucial aspect to address is the implications of AI bias and fairness in income generation. Biased algorithms can perpetuate discrimination and inequality, impacting both your income streams and society as a whole. Transparency and accountability are essential in AI-driven income streams. It's important to be transparent about how AI is being used to generate income and to take responsibility for the outcomes of your automated processes. As viewers explore passive income opportunities with AI, actively consider the ethical implications of your AI-driven income generation strategies. Strive for fairness and transparency so you can contribute to a more ethical and sustainable digital economy. Let's work together to ensure that AI income generation is not only profitable, but also ethical and responsible. Earning passive income with AI presents a wealth of opportunities for financial growth and stability. By leveraging AI technology, you can automate income-generating processes, optimize performance, and diversify your income streams for long-term sustainability. We've highlighted the benefits of using AI for passive income generation, from scalability and efficiency to innovative opportunities for growth. Now is the time for you to explore AI tools and platforms that can help you unlock potential earnings in the digital age. Let's embark on a journey toward financial success with AI-powered passive income streams.